we're going to be doing a Father's Day giveaway. And it's not just going to happen on Father's Day, it's actually going to happen at the end of the month. So every day this month of June is going to be Father's Day to bring the emphasis to something that God has laid in our heart and something that we absolutely believe in, and that is the fight against absence in fatherhood with intentional presence for the restoration of family lines. So we want to encourage you to be a part of this exciting giveaway. We're partnering with organizations like Loon Outdoors. They've sent us some different products here that we're going to give away to one special person. All right, we've got an advanced fly tying kit, a core fly tying kit from them. Wapsi has sent us a beginner kit that has a whole bunch of different stuff for getting you into fly tying. Some coffee from Fidalgo Coffee Roasters, Tie That Binds, Storied Outdoors, Dads on the Fly, Contour Creative, and we've got this pretty exciting fly rod from TFO. The rod, the reel, and the case. We've got some Family Lines hats, shirts, and stickers that we're gonna include in that as well. Up to $450 worth of stuff that we're gonna give. Go on our social media sites right now and you'll find out what you need to do to be entered into this giveaway at the end of the month. The final Father's Day of the month, we're gonna announce the winner. Be a part of helping to not only do something a lot of fun, possibly get some really great gear, but also let's put the word out to build connections in families and to fight absence with intentional presence.